Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Loqdivr solar panel for Google Nest camera. There are features include continuous stability and efficient solar panel for Google Nest. The upgraded solar power panel charger utilizes high conversion rate monocrystalline silicon material, providing fast and efficient charging for the camera. Both the solar panel and the bracket are made of sturdy and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy material, ensuring longevity and durability over time. When installing, if you do get the plugged-in instead of solar, then remove and replug the solar panel cable to the camera up to 8 to 10 times until it says it is solar. This status is visible inside camera settings, in the battery section. Essential solar panel for energy efficiency and continuous camera charger. With voltage regulator, solar power with 13.1 feet cable supply for camera's 24-hour, no need to change batteries frequently, safe and convenient. The solar panel is fully compatible with Google Nest camera outdoor and indoor, battery version. The solar panel can save you a lot of money. Super easy and safe to use the new solar panel. Simply mount the solar panel on your house's roof and connect the DC cable to your camera's connector. It incorporates multiple protection mechanisms, including overcharging protection, short circuit protection, high temperature protection, overvoltage protection, as well as fireproofing and waterproofing features. IP65 waterproof solar panel. The waterproof solar panel can be used in all weather conditions, suits for outdoors, fearless in wind and rain. 360 degrees adjustment flexible bracket and including everything you need. The unique 360 degrees wall mount allows you to install the solar charger at any desired angle while ensuring maximum exposure to sunlight. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.